Good morning, YouTube. Day 10. Coffee day. Let's see what our options are. All right, and I think I am going to go with roasted chestnut. Let's do that one. All right, got some good details to give you, but first, coffee. All right, roasted chestnut, tastes good. I even added a little whipped cream. Didn't want to bore you with that because I have some exciting details. Can't even drink my coffee. All right, so I told you guys last night that I wanted to do a giveaway. And so here is the gift card that I have, as you can see. However, I am not going to actually send this gift card. I'm going to switch it up a little bit just because I want to make sure that you actually can do what I need you to do. So, giveaway details. You must be a subscriber to this channel. I need you to give this video a thumbs up. And I need you to comment down below what has been your favorite place to basically support during the pandemic and why. And give me the city and state that your business is in that you're mentioning so that when travel does pick back up, I can actually head to that city and state and try it out for myself as well to see why you love it so much. So the giveaway will run from today until December 12th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. So that gives you basically 2 days and 2 hours to get it in. Let me know, give me all the goodness. I love all places. It doesn't have to be food. If you have a particular hairdresser that you support, if you're able to go out and about and do that, really would like for you to be supporting restaurants, but I'm not going to limit it to that because all small businesses and all businesses in general need some love during these hard times. So I don't want to just cut it off to restaurants. Once the giveaway ends, I will announce the winner on Sunday, December 13th. You will have 24 hours to claim your prize, and I will need your Cash App information. So please make sure you have Cash App because I will actually be Cash Apping you the $25 instead of sending you this gift card because I don't trust that the Postal Service will get this to you in time. I just don't. And there seems to be a delay and they're blaming it on various elements like the recounting of votes and coronavirus. So because I don't really know what's the truth and what's not, what I do know is that there are 2 gift cards already out in the atmosphere and well, I should say 2 giveaways because it wasn't just a gift card on one, it was a gift card and an actual item. They still haven't gotten it and I just don't trust it. So I'm gonna Cash App you. So I will put all the details down below in the description. Again, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, you are subscribing, and click that bell for notifications just so you know every time I post a new video. See you later for whatever errands I need to run and advent calendars. Okay. We're at Ikea. Let's see what we can find inside. All right, we got to Ikea. Nothing major. Picked up some coasters. And I don't know where we're headed next, but I'll take you along. What's up, YouTube? It's the end of our day. Got hubby with me. So let's go ahead and do our advent calendar, shall we? Reese's. Day 10. Another 4-pack, guys. we're gonna run out of 4-pack.
Those gummies, we almost had them home a moment ago.
We did.
It was about to be bad.
All right, DBZ. Day 10. You like to spoil it. Spoiler alert.
Fine, I won't say a word.
Well, you can't even see that way.
Who can't?
Who is it?
You told them not to say nothing.
Who is it?
Told them not to spoil it.
Alright, well, it
I'm
is
my gushers.
another Vegeta monkey. Okay, but this one, though, I don't know if you guys can see that. The hair is different, so I'm going to pull out. So this was the one from day 4. Can you see the difference in the hair? And the tail? Okay. But basically, the same character.
Mm-hmm.
So day 4, day 10.
We're running out of characters.
I'm ready to see like Radix, Goku Instinct, God Form, something. I already know Chi-Chi ain't in there, so it's just no point. But she's my favorite. So about our day, we did go to Ikea, which you already have seen the footage for that. And what you didn't see, though, is that we picked up these kind of cool coasters. Like that, right?
I feel it was a fail.
But why do I have to go in this maze to get to the end? Like, can I just, okay, this is not what I want, and I just want to cut to the registers, but we literally had to walk all the way. I feel like it took 2 hours. It was at least an hour, though, of going through Ikea. I was not a fan. And I picked up my bag for the Yelpy Awards tomorrow. Shout out to Yelp. Cannot wait. I was told not to open anything. So I'm not going to open anything until tomorrow when I'm told to. So we're good. If you have not gotten your information together, don't forget I am starting the giveaway the minute this posts. So you'll actually have more than 2 days and 2 hours, because hopefully this will be up before 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And so, yeah, don't forget to let us know first. Make sure you are following me here. Make sure you like this video. Comment your favorite business that you want to contribute to or that you are supporting during this entire pandemic. Tell me why you're supporting them. So if it's a restaurant, is it because of the customer service? Is it because of the food? Don't forget to let us know, or let me know, and I say us because he'll be traveling with me, what city and state that business is in, because we want to actually hit them up once the pandemic is over.
Everywhere I go, you show up.
That is a fact. Anyway, as a bonus entry, what I did not tell you this morning is that bonus entry is to comment on my IG post for tonight. So look for the Vlogmas Day 10 post. Make a comment there, and that will serve as an extra bonus entry to this. Whoever wins, the person will be decided at midnight on December 12th, which I guess is technically December 13th, but midnight Eastern Standard Time. A winner. Well, we still have the West Coast.
Yeah, but you're not gonna be up.
It doesn't matter. It closes at midnight on December 12th. Any entry after 12:00 is not going to count. Make sure you've posted by then. I will pick a winner on Sunday, and you will have 24 hours to claim your prize. Because of how the mail is super delayed, it is annoying me, but it's out of my control, so I'm not going to let it consume me. I am going to cash app the winner $25. This giveaway is worldwide, so this is not just for my US folks. This is for anybody that is wanting to participate. Only catch at the end of all of that is that you have to have a Cash App account, because that is how I'm going to send you the funds. So have a good night, and we'll see you on day 11. Good night.
Good luck.